Do it now. Should I give you another laptop or give you my phone? Are you done? Evelyn, you have a second question. What's the question?
Do you celebrate Halloween in your country?
Good. Do you celebrate Halloween? I think we would need to reorganize the questions. But
Do you celebrate Halloween?
Wisdom, have you asked your second question? He hasn't. Just Victoria, have you asked?
Yes.
You have asked two questions. So you and Jibril. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you celebrate Halloween? But do you think that before we meet them, we might change our question?
Yes.
Why? Based on what?
Think about SOTs.
That might seem like better questions. Okay. In the next session, you might be able to get yourself to that point. Do you celebrate Halloween in your country? Can we have the fun? Okay, for the grill. Almost done. So. You people need to use your keyboard more. Hmm? Let me see what's going on there. Eight. It's not this eight. It's not this A, sorry. It's the other A. Eight. If you're spelling it in reverse. Type on it. Eight. Rejoice. Eight. That's the ending sound. Eight. Let me see. You're very close. So spell eight. Almost at the end of eight. What letter should go there to end the word? Then put it. Next, please. Is it Evelyn who's asking a question? Okay, wisdom, yes? The road to your country, rough. That's a very wide question. Road to your country. From where to where? Because yes, because the road from Benin Republic may not be rough, but the road from Cameroon would be rough if you are talking about Nigeria, for instance. So how can we put that question so that it covers? So are we going to be talking about the country, or should we bring it closer, narrow it down to a place where you can know the roads around there easily? So is the road to where? What are you typing? Haven't you type that question? Why are you typing it again? We are trying to figure something out. Wisdom said is a road to your country, rough, right? And I'm saying that if you're going to a country by road, there might be different places you will go in from. For instance, in Nigeria, if you're coming from Ghana and Benin Republic, the road might be smooth, right? But if you're coming from, say, Cameroon, it might be rough. So how are we going to, is it that we're now going to search if it's Cameroon or Ghana? Or should we simplify the question? Which one should we do? Should we change the question so that it's closer to where they are, the specific place they are? Or should we use country and have to now search all the entries into the country? That would be a lot. So can we rephrase the question so that it's really closer to where they are? Okay, so airport to their school. That sounds good to me. You know why? Because if there are two places that are 3 hours away from the airport, right? If you know that one is rough and one is smooth, and they tell you yes it is rough, then you can throw away the one that is smooth, right? And then take the option that is rough. So I agree with that question. I think it's better. What do you guys think? Yes. Are you just saying yes? Jibril, it's okay, it's better. Okay, fine. So how do we phrase it again? Is the road
from airport to your school.
okay, good. So it's the road from the airport to your school, no? So that does that give us 10 questions?
Yes.
There's a question that came on. What's your name? You haven't answered the question. Victor. But who can tell us, in context, who can tell us the meaning of mystery? You don't know the meaning maybe from dictionary, but based on how the game goes, what do you think mystery means? Huh? Group. Mystery class. Mystery class. In relation to finding out where somebody is from. Yes, Jibril, you are correct. In relation to knowing about someone, finding out about someone. Can you think what the word mystery might mean? So that's your homework. Because now you understand what the activity is about, but you do not know the specific meaning of that word. And I should have told you the meaning. So, but thank God you have asked. That means you don't know, and we can search for it. We can actually find out before we leave. We'll use the same computer to find out. Yes, are you on this one? Are we done? Let me see the screen. That's rough, but it's missing one letter. There's a letter after O. That's the letter it's missing. Okay. So that brings us to the end. Save the file. What suggestion are you getting?
Save this file.
Okay, click. Wait, yeah, what suggestion of name are you getting? What name are you?
Foundation.
Okay, good. You can save it as that. Good. So go to Edge. Let's find out the meaning of mystery. How many letters does mystery have? Seven. That's small now. How come grade 6 does not know the meaning of mystery? Have you typed it in? Go to Edge. We have saved now. So let's go to Edge, Microsoft Edge. At the bottom. This laptop doesn't have Chrome, so go to Edge. Okay, it's okay. Still recording now. Is it not? Is it not recording?
Save it.
Who stopped it? Did you stop it? Oh, that means it's timed. Oh dear.
I think because she closed what you call it, Microsoft Word. But that was when you did that screens and stuff.
Okay. I think I'm okay with that. I think I'm okay with that. Green letter. Okay, so you closed the screen that you were recording, so the recording stopped. That makes sense. So let's find the meaning of the word mystery. Google.com. Just google.com. Are you noticing something on your screen? Google.com. What do you think it's for? Evelyn. You just type google.com. Evelyn, what do you think that is for? What you just saw now? Hmm? What do you think it's for? Who has an idea why you were seeing your faces on this? Google.com. Mm-hmm.
The camera.
Mm-hmm.
They are recording.
This camera is, you are saying the camera is connected to the laptop. Hmm. Anybody? Anybody? Because we'll have a screen recording. So anybody? Why did you see your faces on that screen? All of you live. You don't know why. Ah. And you cannot even guess. You should be able to guess it. Why do you think you saw your faces
And
there?
I tried to press Google.com site.
Yes. You can just press enter. So now we can record the search. Whoa. I've been looking in the wrong place. Okay, so search. Mystery is the word. Sorry.
I think it's gone. What is the meaning of mystery?
You just type mystery. You can just type mystery space meaning. You don't have to type a full sentence. Google will give you an answer.
Mystery space. Short.